This is not your average seat heater. This is a carbon fiber heater. Welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Guys, this is a 2020 Hyundai Elantra they want to be working on. And today is only seat heaters. This is our switch right here. It's a 2-stage, high and low. And guys, this is not your average seat heater. This is a carbon fiber heater. What it means, Eliseo, carbon fiber, what are you talking about? Guys, normally seat heaters are composed by a single wire, which is a resistor. And eventually what happens with that single wire, it gets brittle and it breaks or it shorts. And you lose the ability to have the heat in the seat. What the carbon fiber does is, you see all these cloth right here, the whole thing is electrical. So there is no wire, there is no breakage. That's why the heater is guaranteed for a lifetime, guys. It will never fail. The installation, in the other hand, is only guaranteed for 3 years because it's 2 years more than the standard average guarantee for any installation in seat heaters. Guys, we are giving you 3 years, which is very generous. That's in case the installation failed, but the heater itself will not fail. We believe that the product will stand the test of time, so don't worry about it. So you have lifetime guarantee in the product. So this is the process, guys. Once you bring your car, you can have leather, cloth, doesn't matter to us. This is just for the heaters. We want you to buy leather, but if you cannot, just get your heaters because you don't want to be shivering in your car. And this is already wired. This is our end already. There is a fuse right there, and the line runs parallel to the factory wire all the way to the car. It's hardwired to the vehicle. So every time you get in and you have an automatic system, it will power up and you can have your heat while you're waiting inside your house. So when you get to your car, if you have auto starter features, all these kind of things, this system will be on. We have both, and the seats has to come out, guys, because it's a long process. So we're gonna be removing the factory covers for the 2 front seats, and we already designate the location for the switch, which is gonna be there. And it's this small round switch right here, which is really pretty, really nice switch, guys. So you can get our heaters. And if you want to elevate to the next level, once you buy your leather heats, you can have the degree system. But guys, when it comes to the degree, you need to buy special covers. It means you need to get the leather. And the price range is, this will be like at the top of the line. You will get leather seats and you can get cold and heat. So you will be really cool in the summer and really warm in the winter. So this is the top of the line product. It means it's the best we have. Is the leather seats with the degree system, and you are looking $3,000, $4,000 and something like that, depends in the vehicle. Please inquire. When it comes to the heater, but this is a more affordable. If you buy your leather seats with it, you are looking to pay, it retails for $595. But you guys know me, you know you can come with me, so you can get discounts on this, right? So this one is the lowest cost. It's just the heater, but because we need to do the removal and the installation, you are looking at about $795 more or less, depends on the vehicle. That's an estimation, guys. But if you need something specific, please put it in the comments, give me a call. Go to LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology, guys, so you can check out our line of leather seats. We have it in virtually any color, any combination, diamonds, stitch, piping, exotics, you name it, suede, anything that you can think of, we can make it for you guys, and it's virtually available for any car. And guys, again, don't be shivering in the winter. Get at least heat seaters. You're gonna be more cozy and comfortable riding your vehicle. Ride in style, my friends. See you in the next video.